My name's John, and I just got these really great night vision goggles. It's very easy to use. You can shoot video in 4K. It's super high quality. The zoom on it is a 5x zoom, which is really, really great. It comes with a 32 gig mini SD, which I've already put in right here in the side, and that's also the same place where you can recharge this. This is rechargeable, so that's really nice. And when you're using it in video mode, it can last up to 5 hours, which is really good. If you need it to last longer than that, you can always plug in. You can take your cord here, and you can either plug this into a computer, or you can plug this into, let's say you wanted to leave it on all night long on a tripod, which it has a small screw right here where you can put a tripod right into that and set it up to be on all night long if you like. For example, if you're looking for, like say you're hunting and you want to set up a zone to see if there's any animals crossing, you can put it on a tripod, hit record, and then if you have a external battery, you can plug the external battery into this or this smaller cord, okay? And then you can take the external battery and you can let it either hang, or you can set it on the top or whatever. Anyway, it'll run longer that way. It's very, very easy to use, very user-friendly. On the top here, there's a camera mode, there's a zoom in, zoom out, there's a menu here and a mode here, and then there's a power button there, which you press the power button for approximately 3 to 5 seconds, and you'll see that it turns on just like that. You got a nice big screen to look at. It's my hands blocking it. It's really nice. It's got all your function modes. You don't need to stick it right up to your face. You just need to look at the screen right here, and you'll be able to see everything in the night vision mode with the infrared, which is really phenomenal. There is a focus here on this one, on this lens right here, which is going to help you focus whatever you're looking at. And tonight I'm going to show you how it works. So when it gets dark out, I'll be back. Hey everybody, I'm out here. It is nighttime, and I wanted to show you what this looks like at night. So here's a good view. This is what it looks like at night. That's zooming in, and this is pulling back. I'm gonna zoom back out. There we go. That turned the infrared on, and now I can look up and see up in these trees, crystal clear. It's so great. I can focus it by turning this. I can focus it. It's really great. And that's what it looks like at night. And now that's back, that's taking the infrared off. You can still see really well at night in the trees, but it's definitely much better with the infrared on. You just tap the button and the infrared comes on. It's so great. This thing is so awesome. I love it. I just tap it, boom, infrared comes on. Now I can see everything. Look at that. All those trees over there. You can see any animals I want up in those trees that are nocturnal. So there you go. That's what I wanted to show you. It's really awesome. This is a super great camera. You can take photos, videos, everything. I love it. It's small, it's compact, it's lightweight, so it's not gonna like weigh you down if you go hiking up into the hills and want to see, take a look at night outside in the wilderness, or if you're just hunting by that matter. Anyway, it's awesome. You can see the red light is still on for the infrared, and enjoy it. It's a really good quality night vision.